Good afternoon. So finally, nag-umpisa na ang impeachment trial. We would like to express our commendation, of course, to the impeachment court for responding to the mandate of the Constitution. This is a win for the Filipino people because the accountability mechanism is happening, the Constitution is being followed, no? So natapos na po ngayon ang opening statement na magkabilang party, the prosecution and the defense. Also, na-address din po yung mga naiwang concerns during the pre-trial conference. And tomorrow, finally, we will be starting the presentation of evidence. I understand na na-pronounce na din ng impeachment court the sequence or order of presentation of articles submitted by the prosecution. And tomorrow, we will be starting the presentation of evidence for the first article to be presented, and of course, that is threat. Okay? So, nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at sumusuporta sa buong prosecution team. Kasama na, of course, ang ating mga private prosecutors, ang ating mga kasama sa House of Representatives, including our spokespersons. Maraming salamat higit sa taong bayan na tumutok at patuloy na susubaybay. Because again, ito pong impeachment na ito, this is not for me. This is not for Kongchel. Para po ito sa sambayanang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. About the entry of plea, it was our position to place it on record na ang gusto talaga namin ay magkaroon ng formal entry of plea. We understand the position of the impeachment court that an entry of plea of not guilty is deemed from the filing of the answer of the respondent. We understand that. But it was our intention really to place it on record, regardless of the decision of the impeachment court, to make it more organized, to make it more responsive to the mandate of the Constitution, and to make it consistent with the rules, including the past impeachment process. About the BIR box, we likewise understand the position of the impeachment court. Nevertheless, we filed a new request for issuance of subpoena, and that pertains to an expanded list of documents of the BIR, not only the ITR, which we believe are contained in the documents because that sealed BIR box was submitted to us in the HREP because of our issuance of subpoena of income tax returns. No? About the threshold, tanggap po ng prosecution na talagang debatable ito. No? As to how we're going to interpret the threshold for conviction, which the Constitution says 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. Merong arguments for 16. Merong arguments na it should be based on the number of senators who are attending in the impeachment proceedings, no? Ang importante, maliwanag ang posisyon ng impeachment court and for the prosecution, regardless of how we interpret the threshold, we are of course committed to present the evidence and conclude with a successful result of this impeachment trial. Hindi po kami talo. As a matter of fact, we are very much happy because impeachment is happening now. The impeachment trial is happening now. That is the most important part of what happened today. We were able to witness na nangyayari na kung ano ang mandato ng Constitution. And we claim that as a victory for the prosecution because the trial is happening already.
This is only the first day of the trial, and this is only the first day of the trial. At yung mga napag-usapan ay mga preliminary matters pa lang. Ang importante at ang panawagan natin sa lahat ay tingnan natin at suriin natin yung ebidensya na mailalatag sa mga darating pa na araw at linggo. Ang paghuhusga natin ng impeachment ay wala naman sa mga incidents na yon, kung hindi, kung napatunayan ba yung mga paratang na nandyan sa articles of impeachment. At tulad ng napakagandang sinabi ni Chair kanina sa kanyang opening statement, we are ready to prove the allegations of the articles of impeachment. Basic kasi sa courtroom decorum na kung yung isang abogado ay hindi niya pwedeng ipagtanungan o i-examine yung kalaban niyang abogado. Kung meron man siyang tanong, ay dapat sa husgado niya i-direct. At kung may gusto malaman ang court sa mga lawyers, ang court ang dapat magtatanong kung sa tingin ng court ay relevant yung question. Kaya ako nagsalita kanina ay dahil napansin natin na nauna nang nagsabi si si Presiding Officer Senator Escudero sa kanya na wag nga magtanong sa kalaban, and yet I felt that it was being repeated by the Defense Counsel. Kasi ang tanong nga niya kung handa raw kami magpresenta ng testigo ngayon. Ang issue nga ay hindi pa nga nailalabas ang subpoena para sa mga uupong testigo bukas. Kaya para sa akin, it was not the kind of question that required an answer. Dahil obvious naman eh.
Maliwanag naman yung sinabi ng ating mga magagaling na mga prosecutors, no. Una, to allay the notion that ang nanalo o natalo ang prosecution, mali po yun, no? Dahil ang nangyari po ngayong araw na ito ay nakita naman natin na nag-umpisa ang trial, no? Napaka daming kwento before the trial started because maraming stories na hindi daw ito matutuloy at meron daw kung ano-anong mga lumalabas na kwento. Pangalawa, susugan ko rin yung sinabi ni Kong Chel at saka ni Congresswoman Jinky tungkol dito sa BIR box. No? Yes, totoo, binalik ang BIR box. But this does not mean na nawala na yung evidentiary value nitong ebidensyang ito. Because at the proper time, ibabalik po ito, i-offer po ulit ito ng ating prosecution at hopefully the court will admit this as an evidence. So sa ngayon ay nandyan lang yan, no? At hindi naman nawawala yung kanyang value as an evidence. So as the trial progress, I'm sure no marami pang mga itutulak ang ating prosecution para mapagtiba yung articles of impeachment against the respondent. There are questions na mahirap masagot because hindi pwedeng sagutin because these are part of the legal strategies and of course merits na rin yan ng so the reason why ang tanong ay bakit sinabpina? Mahalaga yung magiging testimonya nitong mga sinampinang ito doon sa kaso sa grave threats, no? This is Article 4. And ito ay magpapatibay doon sa allegations na nakasaad dito sa Article number 4. Nang sa ganon ay mabuo, no, yung kwento na pinatutuhanan lahat po ng nakasaad dito sa allegation na ito.
And the mandate of the Constitution should always prevail over any other statute. Yung confidentiality, dun yung napapaloob sa provision ng National Internal Revenue Code, no? But what we are trying to address here is our obligation under the Constitution about accountability mechanism. At meron sinasabi sa batas, if there's a conflict between the Constitution and any statute, the Constitution must always prevail, no? And hopeful na makikita natin lahat ng BIR documents and like what I said earlier, meron tayong bagong request for issuance of subpoena which pertains to an expanded list of documents of the BIR. Hindi na lamang ITR, kung hindi maraming dokumento which will be coming from the BIR. We are hoping na ito ay maaksyonan ng BIR once the subpoena is issued by the impeachment court.